Hi guys, my name's Reese, and I'd like to show you how to create your very own site just like YouTube using PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and this site is packed full of features. So rather than me explain to you what it does, I'm going to show you. So this is the home page, and you can see we have our subscription section, which shows us videos of people we're subscribed to. If you scroll down, we have this recommended videos section too, but you can click on these and watch them, or you can search for a video. So I'll search for something here, and you can see we have our search results, and if I click on any of these, you'll see it plays a video for us, and this all looks very familiar to you, I'm sure. And we have a comment section, we have the details, we have the video descriptions, we have the subscribe button which works, we can subscribe and unsubscribe to them, we can like the video, we can dislike it, we can write comments like this, I can even like and dislike comments, we can even reply to comments. You see it replies to it, and then we can like and dislike these too. We have profile pages for each user. If you click on your own video, you can actually edit your own video and choose different thumbnails as well. Every video has different thumbnails too. We can update the details here. We have a navigation menu which has a bunch of great links such as people we're subscribed to, liked videos, if you want to view videos of people you're subscribed to, if you want to view trending videos. So there's loads of functionality here, and this is all built using PHP, MySQL, JavaScript, and all the good front-end technologies. We build this using a completely object-oriented approach, so you'll learn loads of great stuff to do with classes. We also convert the videos when you upload them, so when a user goes to upload a video, we don't only upload it, we actually convert it to a supported file format so that the video you upload will work in every single browser. We do things like generate the thumbnails automatically when they upload the video, so we generate 3 thumbnails at even intervals throughout the video. And we do this by analyzing the video file and analyzing the video length and choosing where to generate thumbnails appropriately. So you can see there's loads of great features here, and this is an excellent site to have on your resume to make it really stand out. So if you're ready to enroll, I'll be happy to have you and we can build this together. I'll be with you every step of the way. If you have any problems at all, you can just let me know. So let's get started. I'll see you in the course.